I'm going to show you how to replace the console lid in a 2012 Ford F-250. I'm replacing it with a Dorman part number 925-005. It's a dark charcoal gray color. First thing you want to do is pop this piece off. It's held in by 8 clips, which you get new clips with this new lid. But grab it from up here or stick a screwdriver in and pry it out and it'll pop off. These little clips hold it in. Get that out of the way. And then you have 6 screws right here, which is a T20 star bit. You want to remove these. Now it's gonna fall because I'm only holding it. I only got one hand. I gotta hold my phone. Okay, so once you get that off, wow, look at that. This is the customer's car. Anyway, now you need to remove your latch assembly, which is these 3 bolts, and it is a 732 socket. I'm going to remove these. Sorry guys, bear with me. All I got's my phone today, so might be a little shaky. Okay, get those 3 removed. Lift up, the latch will come out. This one's trashed, as you can tell. Throw it over on the floor. Grab your new one. Set your latch right back on there. Let's see. There we go. Push it in place. Put your 3 screws back in. Takes about 5 minutes to do. This ain't long. The only tools you need is your T20 and your what size I said this was, 732 socket. So you're going to tighten these screws down. Okay, now we're going to tighten our center one down completely, then tighten our 2 outside ones down. Set your lid back up here. I'm trying to set my phone down here for a minute. Get this started. Now there is two locators, one right here and one right here. So line those up. Go ahead and snug these down a little bit, hold it in place. Now, let's put the rest of your screws in. I'll go ahead and tighten your center ones down. Let's go ahead and tighten them up all the way. And then work towards the outside. Make sure they're all tight. Okay. Now, like I said, your new lid comes with new clips. 8 of them. If they're broke, replace them. Mine ain't, so I ain't messing with it. Just gonna put this. Just gonna line that up and pop it back in place. Just like that. And you're done. Thanks for watching, guys.